Hello guys, so today I'm going to do the perfect makeup for summertime, especially in the hot heat of AZ, which is where I live. I'm going to start off by priming my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And you're supposed to use a light application with because AZ is super hot during the summer. Today I think it's actually like above 109. I'm going to be going in with the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I do not recommend wearing a foundation if you're going to be out in the sun in AZ, because it's going to be melting right off. You're going to be sweating it. Unless you don't sweat, but who doesn't sweat? I don't know. So I'm going to be applying it with my Arechigagriselda Beauty Bella Sponge. And I actually got my perfect shade. So I am in the shade Light 8N. Because that other one I had, it was making me look very ghostly. And I do not want to look like a ghost. Well, I think this is a perfect shade, but I don't know. You guys be the judge. It's just pretty hard to pick the perfect shade online. As you guys can see, because this is a tinted moisturizer, you can still see a lot of my skin. So you can see my freckles, you can see my moles, you can see its pimples, scars. That's why I think it's perfect for the hot heat. But if you want a little bit more coverage, you can go in with concealer, which is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a satin finish, and I have mine in the shade Light Peach. So I'm just going to apply it to my under eyes, on my chin for more coverage, on my nose to highlight it. I'm going to do my eyebrows using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. And I'm going to try to keep them natural, but no promises there. That's pretty natural, right? Now I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow. Okay, so I did both of my eyebrows, and like I always say, my eyebrows are not sisters. They're definitely not twins. They're cousins. My eyebrows are just cousins. Anyways, I need to set this concealer. So I always like to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 10. It's the lightest powder that they have. And it's very finely milled, which is why I love to use it to set my concealer. I'm just going to pat down the concealer under my eyes and everywhere else because I do not want to set down any creases. And I'm going to use the brightening brush from Alamar Cosmetics. It's a really great brush. I love it. I've been using it ever since I got it non-stop. And it comes in a trio. I forgot I wanted to use this. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies Matte Oliver Face Bronzer color. It's in the shade Beach Babe, but I use it as a blush. I already set my concealer and I usually like applying the blush on my cheeks and across my nose. I don't know if I should risk it and just do it. What do you guys think? Should I or should I not? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna apply the product onto my hand. And now I'm just gonna grab the brush and apply it to my cheek. I'm gonna apply it over my nose. I just got really sunburned. Now I'm going to take the excess product that I have on the back of my hand, just rub that on the sponge, and now I'm going to blend out with the sponge. Now I'm gonna move on to bronzing the face. And I've been non-stop using this Alamar Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. Mine is in the shade Fair Light, and I like to use Café con Leche. Café con Leche, which is right here, and I use the complexion brush. And this also has hyaluronic acid, just like the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. Now to brighten up my under eyes, I'm gonna go with a Rise and Grind. And I'm just going to place that right here. See how much brighter that got? Whoa. That looks intense, huh? Did I add too much? Probably. Can I fix it? You could totally see how it instantly just brightened up my under eyes. Just gonna take this beautiful shade from the So Jaded palette, which is called Diamond. And I'm just going to use my finger and apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to use the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Smells so good. I'm going to apply the highlighter Patted Down from ColourPop. And I'm just going to apply it here. And I'm going to apply it right here as well. And on my Cupid's bow. And I'm not gonna apply it to my chin because I have some pimples there and some scarring, so I do not want attention to that. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. By the way, this one is from the Dollar Lash Club. And I'm gonna apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Black Mascara. You can just apply mascara and just be done, or you can apply some false lashes, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be applying the lashes Sabrina by the Dollar Lash Club. If you don't follow me on IG, you guys should. I'm gonna put my name somewhere right here on the screen so you guys can check out my Instagram. And I announced that I'm doing a giveaway, and I actually have all the items for the giveaway already. And one of the items that is going to be in that giveaway is these lashes and the style Sabrina. And you guys will see how they look on me in just a minute. So if you guys want to keep updated with the giveaway, please follow me on my Instagram. That is actually where I'll be announcing the giveaway and all the rules and more details about it. It's going to be coming very soon. So if I were you, I would go check out my Instagram. I post there a couple times a week. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. If I'm not here on YouTube, I'm over there. So anyways, back to these lashes, the Sabrina lashes. I'm going to put them right now off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the lashes Sabrina. Once again, these lashes are going to be in the giveaway. And if you guys want to also check them out, I do have a discount code, so I will put it in the description down below. Now for lipstick, I can't decide what lipstick to use. I'm in between these three. These are all from Mellow Cosmetics. I have Berlin, which is like a nudish color. I actually did some swatches on Instagram. So I'm gonna swatch Berlin. So that's Berlin. And then I have Sydney. That's Sydney. And this is Florence. These are the three of them together. I think I want to go with Berlin today. So again, these are the Mellow Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lip Paint. I love these lipsticks. Although they say they're matte, they're super comfortable on the lips. They feel like you're not wearing anything at all. Like sometimes during the day I'll forget that I'm actually wearing them. They're really, really comfortable. I love the formula. They're paraben free and they don't do any animal testing, which is also why I really like this company. So if you guys want to try out these lipsticks, you can use the discount code MELLOW15 to save some money. I will put the direct link in the description bar. And yeah, so if you guys want to try them out, definitely check them out. Like I said, they're paraben free and they don't do any animal testing in all of their products. Wow, I can't believe I'm done with my makeup. Like that went super fast because it's super easy and it's like not a ton of makeup. Well, I don't feel like I'm wearing a ton of makeup, especially because I'm not wearing any foundation. It's just this scented moisturizer. You guys should definitely try this out. I highly recommend this. I actually gave my sister the lighter shade that I had because she's way much lighter than me. She's like super light. and it matched her perfectly, and she actually really loved it. So if she loved it, I know you guys will. I actually got all my sisters into ColourPop. They started seeing my videos, or like me purchasing them and asking about them, and I told them how much I love, you know, the ColourPop lipsticks, and it started off with that. And now they buy their eyeshadows. One of my sisters bought this setting mist. They bought a ton of stuff from ColourPop and they love it. So if you guys haven't tried ColourPop, you guys definitely should check them out, because they have amazing stuff, amazing quality, and for affordable price. And they're always doing sales. And I do not have no coupon code, or I'm not an affiliate with ColourPop. I am an affiliate with the Dollar Lash Club and the Mellow Cosmetics. So if you guys purchase anything from them, I will be getting a percentage from whatever you guys buy. But I am not an affiliate with ColourPop. I really would love to, because honestly, I've been with them since when they only have their liquid lipsticks. That's how long I've been purchasing their stuff, and I really love them. Hopefully in the future I would love to work with them. Give me a thumbs up in this video, share this video, comment, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, thank you so much for all the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.